What's up guys, we're back here at the new inn at Brierley, just on the edge of the Welsh border, and we're here for another tiny house tour. We've got a treat in store for you today in the form of this tiny chapel. Let's go check it out. Now, I've slept in some pretty quirky properties in my time, but this is the first time I've ever slept in my very own miniature church. Welcome to Angels, a 3-bed tin tabernacle that just oozes character and charm. I've dropped a link in the description if you want to stay here, and I'm sure you're keen to get inside and check this place out, but first I just want to show you these beautiful natural surroundings. Just outside you've got this wonderful round decking area. On top of the decking you have this beautiful handcrafted wooden furniture. It's great for just sitting in the sun, eating your breakfast or enjoying an evening meal while watching the sun go down. You're surrounded by so much greenery, it really is like having your own Garden of Eden. And I really love how the trees just wrap around this decking area, giving you a sense of peace and privacy. You've also got your own outdoor barbecue for those who love to cook outdoors. And even better, if you love to bathe outdoors, there's your very own roll-top bath with hot water. Just around the corner you've got a fridge, wash basins, power points for charging your phones, compost loos and these awesome hot tin showers. I don't know about you guys, but I'm dying to look inside and see what this place has to offer. So let's go check it out. Wow. So the first thing you notice when walking in here is just what a sense of peace and serenity it has. Very much like a chapel. And there's just light filtering in from every corner. And probably the thing I'm most drawn to is that window at the top of the steeple, just really letting in light. It's absolutely fantastic. I'm loving this place already. The white wood makes it feel really bright and gives it a sense of space. On the right you have this really nice Norwegian stove, perfect for getting warm and cosy in the evenings. On the other side, a little kitchenette corner for your tea and light meals. It's basic, but it has everything you need, including 2 gas hobs, a grill, and various cups, crockery and utensils. You've got this huge king-size raised double bed that I have to say is really comfortable. And look at this cute little window, you can see straight out of it and look up at the sky at night. Beneath the bed is this nice little chill out area with a sofa that opens up to a double bed. And you've also got a single bed in the alcove for extra guests. I think the true charm of this place is all the little details. Angels wrapped in fairy lights ascending the tower. An embroidery of Queen Victoria and a tapestry represents different religions coming together in unity. I really like that thought and vibe. This place also has lighting powered by solar panels, which gives it a really warm ambience at night. Angels at the new inn at Brierley is a stay that really can't be missed. I've had the most amazing time staying here, and also it's very reasonably priced. I've dropped a link in the description, and how can you resist when you're just surrounded by this beautiful nature? Until next time, where we'll be sharing another fairy tale stay, I will see you guys soon.